everyone and welcome to episode 5th of Network Marketing series. And in this video, you will get to know about the 7 tips to grow your network marketing business. Look, network marketing is a business of dreams and it is not that easy to fulfill your all dreams. It takes hard work, sleepless nights and your commitments. With that, you need to be courageous to make it to the real world. For this purpose, we bring you 7 tips which, if followed religiously and consistently, will definitely bring you success in this network marketing business. So let's get started, and first, let's get the glimpse of the tips which we will talk about in this video today. First one is increase the number of leads. Second, make rules to make 5 calls every day. Third, do at least 3 plans in a day. Fourth one is make 1 customer every day. Fifth is read at least 2 pages of book every day. Sixth is duplicate the same in your team. And last, 7th is talk to your uplines every day. So let us talk about the first very tip. Increase the number of the leads. Number of leads refers to the source from where you generate your prospects. People have different methods and sources. Some exchange 3 numbers on a daily basis. Some uses social media while others use references to generate their leads. Irrespective of what your source is, your target should be to increase your leads. And the most positive impact from this strategy is that you will no longer need to search for people for your business and you will start getting busy in your own business. Now come to the second tip, that is make rules to make 5 calls at least every day. The next important step after generating leads is to invite them through call. The most common error we make here is that we tend to call the people who have either joined our business and those who have not. And in the midst of this, new calling gets lost somewhere. To overcome this, you should make it a rule to call at least 5 people daily, irrespective of the fact that whether they all reject your offers or all of them accept it. By practicing this consistently, you will have nearly 2 to 3 new appointments after 15 to 20 days, which will help you grow in your business. Now come to the third tip, and that is do at least 3 plans in a day. As I told you in the previous point, there are chances that you might not even get a single acceptance for a first few days, but trust me, after some times, there will be a time where you will have appointments fixed for your next 4 to 5 days. Now here, the key is consistency. You should have tried your best to give at least 3 plans a day. There might be days where you will not be able to keep up with all these things, but do not ever miss a single day where you show no plans at all. This consistent effort will give you a long-term result as it is a tried and a tested formula. Now come to the fourth tip, and that is make 1 customer every day. Making customers is equally important as the growth of your businesses. Often we tend to use our products for ourselves, but we didn't forward it to. Because of this, we tend to do network marketing but do not have a customer base. Having a customer base is equally important here. There are times when people might not be interested in the business, but the products can be very useful for them. So it is always advised that you do not just have to show the business plan to the people, but also recommend the products to them. When you instill the habit of showing 3 plans a day, there will be a time when people will reject you for the business. In such cases, you can recommend the products to them so that you will be able to generate royalty income from it. Now come to the 5th tip, that is reading at least 2 pages of the book every day. If you are not updating yourself in the network marketing industry, it means that you are performing at the same level for all the time. In order to reach to the next level, it is imperative that you upgrade your knowledge from time to time. This is the truth of the network marketing industry. No learning means no growth. So we advise you to select a book and read at least 2 pages of it every single day and implement it into your business. Only reading it without implementing will not going to be any useful for you. so you can gradually increase the number of pages you read every day. Now come to the sixth tip, that is duplicate the same in your team. You all must have heard of the line that network marketing is the business of duplication. However, we should keep in mind that it is only appropriate to duplicate when you yourself are doing the right things in the business. When you will start following these steps consistently, you will notice few growth in your business, which will take your confidence level to the next level. Necessary actions must be taken after that, which is to be instill the same habit in your team members. Select at least 5 members from your team and give them personal counseling and training. But keep in mind that these 5 people must be as serious as you are regarding to the business, as you are provided them the willingness to give your 100% into your business. Focus on the growth of these 5 people for next 5 to 6 months. Once these 5 people will duplicate you, your business start coming at automatic mode. Now come to the last 7th tip, and that is talk to your upline every day. This is the last but not the least tip, is to talk your upline regularly. Talking to your upline is like fueling your body. Uplines are like God gift who has the capability to change your life completely in this network marketing industry. They already knows about the each and every weakness of yours, and they have solutions for them to improve you. Many people consider their upline to be the ones who has made them join the network marketing business, and once if that upline leaves, they think that they do not have any upline. This is the wrong ideology to believe. Uplines are not the ones who has where you joined the business, but the one who has advised you at every step of your journey and help you to grow in your business. In short, upline is like the role model to you in this business. So promise yourself to talk to your upline on a regular basis. So these were some of the tips and tricks which you can follow to use to see amazing growth in your network marketing business. So this is it for this video. In our next 6th episode, we will talk about some of the tips to become successful in your network marketing business. So this is Devya from Tegunity Academy. We'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.